conversation between two friends as they are best friends and meet after a long period.
Hey, Arya. How are you?
Hey, I am good. What about you?
I am also fine.
After a very long time we are meeting.
Yes. It's a very long time. I missed you so much.
Me too. Due to office work, I was very much busy.
Yeah. I know. I was also very much involved in my research work.
But at last we both get time for each other.
Yes. So let's go to this restaurant.
Yeah. I am very much hungry. Have a talk while eating. Let's go.
Yes.
Like, share, subscribe, please.